I love my cats. I don't, however, love the waste they produce. The waste the cats were producing was accounting for well above half the weight of our household garbage output and just under half the volume. We were using traditional cat litter, the stuff that's mainly made of clay. It's really heavy and it doesn't break down. We bought a compostable litter product made from corn byproducts. Thankfully, our cats accepted it immediately, so when the clay based stuff ran out, we started exclusively using the corn based product. So, with our waste product now fully compostable, I set out to find a way to break down this mess of cat barf, liquid waste, solid waste, and corn byproduct so it could be turned into soil. We had a spare garbage can just sitting around unused. I put a base of woody leaf material into the bottom of the can, dumped in our first load of cat waste, then added another layer of wood and leaf debris. There was a second bucket of waste ready to go in, so it was added, then followed by another round of wood and leaf material. I'm telling you, my yard is going to be completely void of small fallen branch pieces and leaves. I have a feeling this initiative is only going to work if I use a significant amount of that wood and leaf debris from my yard. Now, the old spare garbage can wasn't really doing the job, so I bought a backyard compost bin. It's working much better. The main motivation for this project is my belief that landfills are a really poor way of dealing with our waste. The notion of reduce, reuse, recycle is my go to. If a thing that's no longer needed can't be reused or recycled, only then does it go into a landfill. So before sending something for landfilling, I'm first looking at composting, recycling options, donating, or selling the thing. Landfills are really expensive. Opening them, filling them, tapping the methane in them, closing them, and then capping them requires a huge amount of cash. It's in our best interest to keep our reliance on landfills to a minimum. And with all the ports of plastic collected for recycling being sent to places where it's being improperly handled, I'm a big fan of composting as much waste as we possibly can. It just makes sense to turn stuff into dirt. Dirt can then be used to grow stuff. And in my case, I plan to use my newly created soil as a new litter medium. We'll see in a few months how that goes. I'll keep you posted.